Hello, and welcome to the elementary school bus safety video. I'm Principal Williams. As a school administrator, I must ensure that transportation is fair, courteous, and safe in order to promote a great school atmosphere. Our goal is to guarantee the safety and orderly transportation of students to and from Howdy Elementary while unholding equity, fairness, and accessibility for all students. Our staff responsibilities is to conduct a pre-trip safety inspection daily, maintain an emergency communication system on all buses to ensure the communication is working so we can get in touch with the driver and the driver can get in touch with the school. Also annually undergo safety training to address student behavior and emergency response. Student expectations. For student behavior, students must remain seated at all times. Follow driver's instructions immediately, as well as there's no eating, drinking, or disruptive behavior allowed on the bus. Special accommodations. We ensure wheelchair accessibility is checked and safe for students with disabilities. We also ensure that students with disabilities and have sensory sensitivities receive special accommodations as needed. We have in place new emergency protocols. For our emergency procedures, we do conduct monthly bus evacuation drills for students and drivers, as well as we have a new GPS tracking system and real-time monitoring for bus routes. We also partner with local law enforcement for bus safety reinforcement programs. Our bus legal and ethical standards. We are aligned with the Texas Education Code that requires bus safety training. We also ensure that transportation policies do not discriminate based on race, disability, or socioeconomic status, which is within the Civil Rights Act, Title VI. We also address bus staff accountability, ensuring that students are supervised to prevent tragedies, such as the tragedy in the Davila case in 2025. In the Amanda Davila case of 2025, a New Jersey school bus aide was convicted following the death of a student with special needs. On the way to an elementary school, she was sentenced to 3 years in prison, which was less than what the student's mother wanted. The student died on a bus to the school in Somerset in July of 2023. The student began sliding down in her wheelchair and was strangled by the harness that was strapped to the wheelchair and the student. While the student bus aide was on her cell phone and wearing earbuds. The jury found Davila not guilty of aggravated and reckless manslaughter. However, she was convicted on a lesser charge for child endangerment. She could have faced 20 years in prison if convicted for manslaughter on more serious charges. So this is just a video for the awareness of the safety of our students, how important this is for parents as well as students. And lastly, we do have brochures available for drivers, students, and parents on tips for bus safety to ensure our students remain safe, whether on or off the bus. Student safety is our #1 priority. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoyed our bus safety video. Be safe.